Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the results of the USDA stocks and acreage report. The USDA is always full of surprises, and today they estimated acres well below the average trade guess. So we've got soybeans 70 cents higher, corn up the limit at 25 cents higher. The number one thing the market has to do now is try to buy acres and add them to the final number. We also note that the stocks numbers were close to what the average trade guess, suggesting that things might get tight before the end of our new crop year. And if I plug in the soybean acres to next year's crop and demand, actually the carryout for 21-22 is even lower than what the stocks could be this year. So the numbers, corn stocks 7.7 billion, the average guess was 7.767. Beans 1.564, average guess was 1.534. And wheat 13.14, the average guess was 12.72. But this quarter stocks numbers in wheat is not a surprise that it's a little bit higher, because the USDA usually has a negative feed and residual number, which they can't explain. 91.1 million corn acres versus 93.2 expected. Only 87.6 soybean acres versus 90 expected. All wheat acres 46.3. Winter wheat 33, spring 11.7, cotton 12 million acres, and sorghum 6.9 million acres. So just a little bit more winter wheat acres than the market had thought. And we'll see if they plant those spring wheat acres with the higher corn and soybean prices, plus a drier weather pattern. We did note overnight that soybean oil prices were trading higher, supported, I think, by some underlying consumer demand. And we look at 44-cent December soybean oil, that's too low given the demand outlook. Now we trade weather. Yesterday, our weather guy gave a presentation talking about a good start for the spring, but then maybe like 1988, things could begin to dry out starting in the southeast and northwest and meet in the Midwest in August for drier than normal conditions. With these numbers, we need perfect conditions and record high yields to satisfy not only the demand but increase carryout. So stay tuned now for the daily weather updates. We need perfect weather. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. Remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.